This video is going to show you how to thread an antique New Home Treadle sewing machine. Basically, we have our spool on our spool pin. A couple things to point out: we have our thread tensioner. This is the release lever for it. There's also a little thread guide on top here. Usually these are missing on machines. And then we have our thread take up, which is actually part of the needle bar. Top part of the needle bar. We have a thread guide with the spring tensioning here, and then basically our needle. So to start off with, we're going to go just take our thread, and I'll go around the post this way, and then there's a little notch you want to go under your thread tensioner. You push on the lever to kind of work it in, so it's in there now. Then we're going to go through this little guide. It goes from front to back, or I'm sorry, from back to front, to slide under it like so. Other machines just have a hole. This one is actually notched, so I'll spin it around. It makes it a little easier when we're threading it, and just pulling it right down through the notch. And we go into our front spring, and if you can see, it's kind of, try to get a little more light here, it's U-shaped, and basically it's so you can pull your thread comes across towards from the back to the front, and then you can pull a little lip there of thread with your finger and get it around your spring. So now you can see we've got spring action going on. And then this machine, the needle threads from the left to right. So we use our little helper here, a little tension. And now we've got our thread through. I'm basically going to show you too how to thread the bobbin. If you look at your spool, you've got your thread coming over. You want your thread coming over the bobbin, and then insert it down into the shuttle. This one has a little zigzag pattern. Sometimes you just put a little pressure with your finger on the end and pull your thread all the way down into the bobbin, and then up. There's a little catch right here, and that gets our thread in it. And that's all there is to that. There's a screw for adjusting tension, and basically just pop it in, pull our threads up, and we're ready to sew. And that's it.